Welcome to another HineyVersity video from the Hineycoin community. I do hope you enjoyed Module 1, presented and made by our good friend John. On Module 1, he showed you all the basics of how to manipulate the chart and use all the tricks and bits that are in here to make it easy on you. Now, if you have not watched that series, do stop watching right now and go back and watch that series first, because what I will be talking about will be Chinese. So do check Module 1, manipulating the charts, and watch all the videos first before you watch this one. Today I'm going to show you the basics of support and resistance lines. Now for that, we'll show all the tools here on the side. I'll take the top one, and for myself I use the horizontal ray. And I start from the top, and then all the spikes that I see, I'll just draw a line. We'll see later on if they are valid or not. Non-valid lines we'll just remove, valid lines we keep. And I see another spike here. And anything else in between? Yes, this could also be a level of interest. See here to the bottom, also an interesting level. Let's go even more below and take this one. And you see already there's a few lines now on the chart. Now, XRP is trading at $2.53 at the moment. It's here. So you can see it's actually touching a line. Let's validate that line. Let's see. You can even draw it a little bit further. How many touches do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So there's many touches. It's a valid line. We work our way up, because the line above has many touches. Yeah, spiked here, but used as a resistance here. And all the touches here, a valid line. Let's check the next one. Okay, yeah, there was some resistance here. Used it as support a little bit here. For the rest, yeah, it is a line, but I would call this a weak pocket. We'll go to one more above. We have touched there, tried to break there, failed, break out, used it as support. Support failed, and it used it as resistance here. So I say this is a valid line. Now, because we are trading here, everything that's below I call that support. Let's call it that green, just to make it easy on ourselves and to recognize support from resistance. Everything to the above, that's resistance. We'll just keep that red for now. And this is just the basics. It's very old school, it's very simple. But now let's zoom into the 4-hour chart. Now, if we look at the 4-hour chart, let's just scroll out a little bit like this and scroll in a little bit like that. This makes it just easier. Also here you see the lines working out. You see a lot of touches all over the place. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And here, this was support, but it failed. So immediately when it goes below, that support becomes resistance. And it didn't fail once, it failed like 4 levels. That was that Black Friday, the 10th of October. So yeah, a little spike to the below there. And if you can see, yeah, it did recover about 60% back up, but it has been stuck between like the 2 levels. We have a support level to the below, and we have a resistance level to the top. Very easy, very basic. And in the next video, we'll add some trend lines. If you have any questions, do make a comment, leave a like, and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next one. Thank you.